Bubble. Hey guys, I'm going to be mixing the rest of my blue glitter. Doesn't have that much in it, but we are going to be mixing it into glitter slime and seeing how much it changes my glitter slime. Yeah, my glitter slime. Yeah. Adding glitter into more glitter slime. Actually wasn't smiling under it. Oh yeah. Let's get on to this. So, take you guys down here. Still have everything out from my last video. When I shouldn't. Okay, we are going to just basically do this. This is going to be so satisfying. I already know. Slime is so nice. I just want to keep on playing with it. But I do have to take a little piece of this off. Oh yeah. To see if this changes it at all. Let's do this. And just, this is like the exact color of it. Maybe will it make it not clear or something? Do you guys even recognize that there is glitter on this thing? Can you? Do you? Do you recognize? That's a lot of glitter. This is actually a ton of glitter. I feel like there's just going to be glitter falling out now. Yeah, I do. Oh my god. Okay, let's add the rest. There's not that much left. It's not even coming out. Go glitter, get out. And there we go. Oh, my glitter is gone. Great. But that is a ton. Like, glitter could just go up into a pile or something. That is beautiful. I have it all over my finger now. Oh my gosh. It's like the same color as the slime. What? That feels crazy. You guys have never tried this. Try this. It is so satisfying. What? That is so cool. There's like a glitter pile in some of my fingerprints. Boy. That is so awesome and satisfying. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's so nice. Okay. Oh, this side is so much wetter than this side. That is so cool. Look at all my glitter circle, okay. My glitter circle. It's a nice glitter circle. Oh, you could feel the glitter. You could feel the glitter when you stretch it. You just can. It's like no escaping. That is so pretty. Let's pick this up. Pick it up. Pick it. Oh, how about we just add some clear slime to this? Because this clear slime is sweet. Okay, wait. Get off. Get off clear slime. Because that clear slime belongs to the glitter now. Which clear slime as we're using over here. I'm going to just try to pick it up with the glitter. See if it makes the same color as this. And the same, like, beauty. Because kind of just like what they did in the shop. Except for this was glue while they did this. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's just shimmering and sparkling in the moonlight. That was not my voice. I like totally did the voice changer. On whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. Look how pretty that is. I just use it. I think it's called Instagram. Is it? Is it? Nope, it's called Musical.ly. Where where I do different videos and stuff. I haven't actually done a video on Musical.ly, but yeah. This is pretty. It needs more glitter though. This is pretty. How did they get it this dark? How did they use that much glitter? Okay, let's see if I can get any more out of this thing. Oh, I got a finger thingy. Should he get some more? More? Oh, I actually got a little bit. That must have been stuck at the bottom. Oh yeah. Starting to change color. Oh, there's actually glitter on the lid right here. Dude, there's glitter on here. So, you can just use this. Look at that. Look how much glitter is on there. Oh man, it's still stuck to the lid. Man, there's a lot stuck to the lid. Look at that. We could have used that. Do you guys hear that? I love that noise. It is actually turning just to look like my glow-in-the-dark slime. It is. Okay, this glitter has to be glow-in-the-dark. The actual same that they use in the glow-in-the-dark. Actually, I added a little bit of this to the glow-in-the-dark, but it is the same color right now as the glow-in-the-dark, and it would look the same if I didn't add some of this in. Oh my gosh, this is literally just like my glow-in-the-dark. Like, you could totally trick someone. Okay, let me get a little piece out and try not to get any of the glitter slime in it. And you guys will notice that, like, this is for sure, like, the same almost. Look at that. Look at those two. Except for that one's bigger. And now it's also more clickier. I haven't played with this in a long time and it got hard. Oh my gosh. They are the exact same color. Yes. Baby, yes. That is crazy. That looks crazy. That's crazy. Oh, crazy. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. And it's still clear. That's sick. It's clear. I could just now place over that slime. You guys can still see it. Oh, this looks just like the glow in the dark. I can't believe it. That is too crazy. Just too crazy. And really, that did do a little some to the slime. I think it made it a bit more sparkly and thicker. Look at that. If something happened. Something happened. It's like a mixture of these two now. Combined. Why don't we combine them? Just a little piece. I want to see if it looks like the big one. That was the change. That was the change. And I had more of this than the glitter stuff, so. This is definitely what just changed that slime. Look at the color now. It like darkened it up. So, this is definitely the change. The change to the slime is unreal. That's crazy. I just love it. I love it though. I love it so much. That's like what we did. We had the clear glitter slime. We added it on top. That is crazy. That is just crazy. Okay, yeah. That is so cool. What? Cannot believe that changes it. That's actually really, really cool. Wow. Wow. And stay focused and subscribe and notify and like this video because because you have to stay notified so that you can get more videos, and make sure that you get the video of when my slime comes out on Amazon, because I'm going to be having all my slimes out on Amazon that I have, and I'm going to be getting new slimes too, so stay tuned for that. Like, literally, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Just keep your notifications on. That's what I'm trying to say, because then you get my videos, and then you get that video, watch them all. Yeah. Amazon Smile. And yeah, hopefully you guys love my videos and go watch my other videos. And the videos with my brother too. So, I love you guys so much. Bye.